हेलो एवरीवन। सीनियर किंडरगार्टन की इंग्लिश में आज हम रीड करेंगे कुछ सिंपल सेंटेंसेस। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। फर्स्ट सेंटेंसेस। अ KID kid, WITH with, BIB bib, a kid with bib. THE the, PIG pig, is BIG big. The pig is big. IFED fed, TEN 10, HENS hens. I fed 10 hens. A BAG bag, WITH with, a TAG tag, a bag with a tag. A FAT fat, CAT cat, ON on, a MAT mat, a fat cat on a mat. A MAN man, WITH with, THE the JAR jar, a man with the jar. MY my, PET pet, is WET wet, my pet is wet. A BABY baby, is in THE the COT cot, a baby is in the cot. A BUG bug, is on THE the RUG rug, a bug is on the rug. A FOX fox, is in THE the BOX box, a fox is in the box. Thank you.